Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today you'll find out if the VIVO X300 Pro has wireless charging or not. And the short answer is yes, it does. To see wireless charging, scroll down from top to bottom and open settings through this little button. In settings, you need to scroll down to find the battery section. And in the battery section, go down to battery health and charging. Here, scroll down to reverse wireless charging. Press guided. And now to charge a wireless device, just place it on the back of your phone, right about here. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.